welcome back to my channel, darling. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is going to be how to make carrot oil. You know what carrot can do for your skin? Carrot contains beta carotene, contains so many good vitamins that can help glow your skin. So when I mention in my videos about using body oils, carrot oil is number one. It's top notch. Body oils that you can use during weekends, body oils you can use to glow your skin and prevent damages on your skin, sun UV damages, glow your skin and keep it spotless. Have this a bright, beautiful, flawless skin. You can make use of carrot oil to achieve that. The best thing to do is for you to make your carrot oil by yourself, because you know there are lots of people using kind of, I don't know what they are selling in the market. Now I went somewhere, I bought one carrot oil to use, and I don't know what I was getting. It was giving me eczema on my skin. I don't know what they used to infuse the carrot oil. So that is why I will always say make your carrot oil, make your coconut oil on your own, so that you are sure of 100% of what you're getting, and you will see the difference when you use it on your skin. That is the best. Today's video I'm going to be showing you two methods, and we are going to my workstation. I'm not going to be talking about it today. So if you're new and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so as to be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. And please remember to give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video around, help me grow this channel, make it a big community. Without wasting much time, we are going to dive in. But first I'm going to show you my already made carrot oil. Look at how beautiful it is, and this is what I use on my skin during weekends to apply on my skin. It's beautiful. Just rub it on your body. The moisturizing effect you get from this oil is underrated. How this oil moisturizes your skin, glows your skin, like it does all these things with just one major ingredient. Please watch this video to the end, get all the details you need about carrot oil. Did I mention that you can use carrot oil on your hair? This is a better hair cream for you. This is an excellent hair cream. If you add tea tree oil here and lavender oil, this is an excellent hair cream. You use dandruff free, lice free, all those nyama things on your scalp, you are going to be free from it. So just try this carrot oil, watch how it is being made, and let's quickly go to my workstation. Boo boo, welcome to my workstation. So let's get right into the video. This is the carrot. I've already shredded my carrot. It's very simple to shred your carrot, but you have to be very careful. Make sure after washing your carrot you clean it with a dry cloth. Don't let any water get into your carrot oil so that it does not spoil your carrot oil. You have to be very careful on that. Make sure you clean the carrot after washing. You don't need any water. Clean everything you are using. You don't need any water. All we need is the carrot. So after shredding your carrot, this is how it's going to look like. You can decide to shred it this way, or you can decide to shred it in a bigger form, but I prefer this method. I prefer this style of shredding my carrots because I'm sure of getting more oil from it. What I'll be using is extra virgin olive oil to make my carrot oil. Is actually the best for me. People do prefer making use of coconut oil, but I'm a fan of olive oil. Extra virgin. Look at the brand I'm using. I'm using 100 ml. I'm using 100 ml for 4 carrots. This is 4 carrots, not really the big sizes, just the medium sizes of 4 carrots with 100 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Be sure of the brand you're getting your olive oil so that you are sure of your 100%. There are actually two methods of making this oil. Like I said, you have the cold press and the boiling method. The cold press, you just have to put this into the olive oil, put the quantity you want into the olive oil, close it and leave it for like a week. All you need to do is to be coming back to shake the bottle, and it's going to infuse the oil into the olive oil. After a week, you come back and filter it, and then you get your cold press carrot oil. But the one I'll be doing, because I'm actually doing this for a client and I'm doing the boiling method, so I'm going to be doing the boiling method, not the cold press. The boiling method works for her, but the cold press doesn't. So I'll do exactly what she wants. But the cold press is very simple. You just need to pick this, put inside this, leave it for some time, for a week or more, and after, you filter it and then you get your oil. That is that. But this method is the boiling method. So we quickly get our pan. This is the pan I'm going to be using, non-stick fry pan. You place it on fire on low heat. You heat your pan on low heat, allow it to dry off the little water that is inside, or make it dry it first. Don't put your oil in a wet pan. When it's a little bit warm, you pour in your olive oil into the pan. 100 ml of olive oil for 4 carrot oil. For 4 carrots rather, sorry. So you have to allow the oil to warm up a little. Then you put in your carrot, your grated carrot. Note you can as well dry this carrot in the sun before, so that some water will evaporate before you put it into your oil. It smells so nice. Smells so nice. So you just fix everything well. And let it heat. Very low heat, please. Remember, you're not supposed to fry it. So leave it in a very low heat. Don't be in a hurry. We're going to leave this here for 45 minutes. Then we'll come back and see our carrot oil, how it is going. "45 minutes later, you can see the color is now brownish, and if you look well, you will see the color of the carrot oil already. So we'll just off the light, the fire, and leave it to cool for some time. But please remember, it is in low heat so that you don't kill all the nutrients on fire. The carotene is very important, and you have to keep it on low heat. Let's leave this to cool so that we'll go to the next step. So it's time for us to strain. This is the waste. This one we are dumping it far away. There's no more oil in it. I have tried my best. My best. You see the manpower I used to squeeze this oil. You give me a very huge thumbs up right now. So this one is now a waste, and this is our carrot oil. So we are going to add something to this oil to give it a long lasting journey. Since it's a boiling method, it can still last over a month or two, but I just prefer to add this because I love the way it makes my skin glow. Adding vitamin E to this carrot oil glows my skin. You need to see my skin, it's popping. So I need to add it. I add it every time I make my carrot oil, and I know that this my client will love it because I have used almost all my vitamin E. I don't lack this in my home. Look at it. I'm going to be using two. I'm going to be adding two of these. Just make use of my pin. Bust this open. And then squeeze it to get my oil. My steams is still remaining. I want to get everything. So aside from the glowing effect, it will also add and make the oil last longer without it changing in texture or its smell. So you can add whatsoever you want to the oil to glow your skin, to lighten your skin. Use it as your body oil. But this now is ready. Let me turn it and put it into my container for you to see how beautiful my oil is looking. Oh my god. Is it pouring? Look at my carrot oil. Very beautiful. The color is so captivating, and this is exactly how your skin color will be like when you make use of this carrot oil on your skin, in your routine, as a face mask, as a body mask, whatsoever you want to use it for, just you're adding to it. It is superb. So you can use this method to prepare your carrot oil, or you make use of the cold method like that, like I mentioned in the video. Whichever way you want to. Look at my skin now. This is what I use as a moisturizer. I use this every weekend. I don't miss weekend oils, like I don't miss it, and I'm going to add other oils to it in order to get what I really want. So please give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscription button in order to support this girl. Follow this method and make your carrot oil, use it as your body oil, as your weekend moisturizer. And you can shop for your raw materials like the olive oil at bestskinplug.com. See you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.